What's up YouTube? My name is Musa and I'm a long-time investor and a rural investor, and I've been using Robinhood to invest on it and stuff. I've been using Robinhood for a long time, almost for 2 years now. So when Robinhood come out with a cash management, I signed up for it and stuff, and I just received my cash management card. I think it's gonna be in here and stuff, so we're gonna be the first one. We're gonna be the first one to be able to look in the bags and see what is in here. So I hope y'all enjoy the journey on me as I'm unboxing this video right here and stuff. I'm unboxing this card. And I hope if y'all like this video, please don't forget to thumbs it up or share it out and stuff. Appreciation and stuff. So this is it where I'm about to open it up and stuff. Damn, one more time. Let's see that. It just come with just A. So just A, that's how you're looking right here. I hope you can see it. See it? Just, I tell you, like, this is how you're looking right here. And it's a little arrow right here and stuff. It's a little arrow. I don't know if you can see it now. It's a little arrow. And they just got like a Robinhood in it. So see it. I think I have to pull this out. Oh shit, you see that? That's crazy. You see that? It's the card right here. I picked the green one. You see that? So it just go in. It's crazy. This is like the best unboxing ever. Just slide open, the moment you open it, just slide out. Damn, it look pretty. This is the prettiest card I ever seen and stuff. Financial assistant. See this card? Look at it. I hope this token. I'm gonna try to show the closer to it so you can see it. Okay guys, so this is how it look closer to it and stuff, if I can focus on it. Yeah, so it look like that. You know, a little code they be saying on TV and stuff. So I'm about to unbox it right now so you can see how it look. Then you just have to slide it out like this. So let's see what's in there. It just say activate your card in the app. So I think I need to go in the Robinhood app to do that and stuff. Yeah. So this is how the card look closer. It's a glass. You see that? This is like glass right here. So it's a glass. I hope you can see it. And just a MasterCard right there. The MasterCard. You got Robinhood like logo right there. And all the information like you're not supposed to see. Kind of app. This you just scroll down, and if you can read it, there's a have you received your card? Yes. So I think I need to press that, and then they ask you like a yes or no question right to the bottom, yes or no, and just click on that, and then it will say activate your card. See that? So now they say my card is activated. Now I guess I can use it now everywhere to be able to purchase stuff, and when I have money, or I can be able to transfer money to it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Bye guys, peace.